Hi folks, we've had some glorious rain, heavy actually, but in March we had hardly anything, but it certainly made up for it on the 1st of April into today, which is the 2nd. But as you see, autumn is showing its colours, and you can see here the poor ferns have been burnt to a frazzle with no rain and the heat. They'll be all right. The centres have still got green, so they'll be all right. I think we've just got another shower coming in. But the colours are changing. As I said, the poor old tree ferns and the ferns have really suffered. But it's lovely to see the rain, and hopefully I haven't lost any plants, although I have a feeling I may have. But you just could not keep up with the water no matter what you did. Just walked here under the wisteria arbour, and you can see the colours here. And hopefully now I'll have some water for the tanks, but I probably don't need them now. But it's always good to keep them filled when we can. So autumn is definitely in residence.